Welcome to Sonicwall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. In this video, we will demonstrate how to check the data usage of internal machines using Connections Monitor. On the Systems Diagnostics page of the Sonicwall user interface, a diagnostic tool called Connections Monitor has been provided. The active Connections Monitor displays real-time, exportable, filterable views of all connections to and through the Sonicwall security appliance. Today for demonstration, we are using a Sonicwall NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.4. Under the System tab, Diagnostics, from the Diagnostic Tool drop-down menu, select Connections Monitor. You will now see all the active connections that are going out from the internal network. The value RX bytes stands for bytes received or download, and TX bytes for the bytes transferred or uploaded. All these connections can be sorted based on the TX bytes or RX bytes. By clicking on the TX bytes once, you can arrange it in decreasing order or increasing order. Similarly, with the RX bytes, you can arrange it in the increasing order or the decreasing order of RX bytes value. So the highest received bytes connection would be on top, and you can check the source IP, the source port that the system is using for the connection, the destination IP that it is connecting to, and the destination port. You can also see the protocol used, the source interface, the destination interface, and flow type if applicable. You can also filter the results to display only connections matching certain criteria. The filtering options include source IP, destination IP, destination port, protocol, flow type, source interface, and destination interface. For example, if you want to monitor based on a particular protocol, you can select the protocol from the drop-down menu. Similarly, the other filters can be set as well. Once the filters are set, you can click on Apply Filters. If you want to go back to the default settings, click on Reset Filters. If you want to see detailed report on how much total bandwidth is used by each machine, you can even export the result from the Connection Monitor. On the right corner, you would see a Export Results button. Clicking on Export Results will let you export the Connection Monitor results in plain text format or comma-separated value format. You can also limit the output to the number of connections that you want to see. Once the file is exported, opening the same would open an Excel sheet. This exported result can be filtered according to your requirement. In this way, the Connections Monitor is useful in monitoring the bandwidth utilization by internal systems. This brings us to the end of this video on how to check the data usage of internal machines using Connections Monitor.